In this video, we started our drone adventure by traveling through some of Cyprus's most iconic landmarks, all in a single day. We begin with the historic Kamares Aqueduct, a monumental remnant of Ottoman engineering. From there, we fly over the vibrant seaside city of Larnaca, capturing its rich architectural charm, bustling streets, and signature orange rooftops. Finally, we travel west to the cultural jewel of Paphos, where ancient ruins, vibrant churches, and festive Christmas spirit await. Our aerial journey begins at the Kamares Aqueduct, just outside Larnaca. Built in 1747 during the Ottoman period by Governor Bekir Pasha, this aqueduct once served as a vital water supply system to the city. With its 75 gracefully arching stone piers, the structure is a striking symbol of pre-industrial ingenuity and remains one of the most important historical infrastructures in Cyprus. From above, the symmetry and scale of the aqueduct are awe-inspiring. The surrounding area of Kamares is a peaceful, semi-urban locality with small residences and open fields, acting as a quiet gateway into the more dynamic city of Larnaca nearby. From Kamares, we continue our travel into the heart of Larnaca city. Approaching the city, the transition is dramatic, from the tranquil countryside to an urban layout unfolding along the coast. Larnaca is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in Cyprus, with a rich history dating back over 4,000 years. Today, it blends its ancient heritage with a modern, cosmopolitan vibe. The architecture of Larnaca reveals a mix of colonial buildings, contemporary apartments, and traditional houses characterized by their signature orange-tiled roofs. These terracotta tiles are not just stylistic, they reflect centuries of Mediterranean tradition, offering excellent thermal insulation during the hot summer months. The city's narrow streets and seaside boulevards buzz with activity. While traffic can be moderate during rush hours, Larnaca remains quite navigable. Located directly along the southern coast, it also boasts a long, palm-lined promenade and a working marina that make it an attractive destination for both tourists and locals. Continuing our day-long road and drone adventure, we make our way to Paphos on the island's western coast. A city recognized for its deep historical significance and relaxed pace. With a population of around 35,000, Paphos is smaller and more laid-back than Larnaca, but equally rich in cultural heritage. It's famously known as the legendary birthplace of Aphrodite, and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site due to its numerous archaeological treasures. For its mythological allure, but also for its well-preserved ruins, seaside fort, and picturesque harbor. The city is easy to navigate, with generally light traffic compared to larger urban centers. A strong presence of historical landmarks and modern tourist infrastructure makes it a year-round favorite for visitors. During the festive season, Paphos lights up with celebration. Large Christmas trees are set up in public squares, and city streets glow with festive lights and decorations, adding warmth and cheer to the winter air. No visit to Paphos is complete without exploring the Paphos Archaeological Park. Seen from above, this expansive site contains ancient Roman villas, intricate floor mosaics, and remnants of theaters and temples. The House of Dionysus and the Odeon are especially notable for their historical and artistic significance, transporting visitors back to classical antiquity. Next, our drone takes us to two beautiful religious landmarks in Paphos. The Agios Georgios Church, perched near the sea and flanked by archaeological ruins, is known for its serene location and Byzantine architecture. It stands as a spiritual symbol amidst remnants of early Christian basilicas. Nearby, the Agioi Anargyroi Church adds to the city's religious and cultural landscape. Built in a more modern style, this large church is an active place of worship and community gatherings. From the sky, its domes and clean lines contrast beautifully with the older stone structures nearby, illustrating Paphos's blend of ancient tradition and living faith. And with that, we conclude our aerial journey across Cyprus, from the historic arches of Kamares, through the coastal energy of Larnaca, to the timeless beauty of Paphos. Whether viewed from above or experienced on the ground, this island offers a stunning mix of history, architecture, and natural beauty, captured one frame at a time.